our last song of the night. This is Gage Bolin.
Test 1, 2. My name is Gage Bolin. I'm 14 years old. I'm here in Nashville on vacation from Central Florida. This is a song called Wild and Free. Been thinking about you and about what you said. You could always be around, and if I could do just one single thing, I could stay just the way that I am. Here I am, I'm wild and free, just the way I was when you met me. I'm still drinking that South Georgia clear whiskey. Where are you? Where have you been? Been missing you and all the good times we spent. I've been missing you and all the good times that we spent. Life without you and without your company ain't near as bad as I thought it would be. There's a sexy lady, she's always close to me, she treats me right, she's the only girl I need. Now here I am, I'm wild and free, I'm just the way I was when you left me. I'm still drinking that South Georgia clear whiskey. Where are you? Where have you been? I'm not missing you and I don't care where you've been. I'm no longer missing you and I don't care where you've been. I'm not missing you and I don't care where you've been. You said you'd always be around. Well, I got my whiskey.